In the face of nature's fury, our land, a vital ecological reservoir, has been put to the test. Today, we embark on a journey to understand the intricate biogeochemical cycles that sustain life, explore the impacts of human activities, and shed light on the principles guiding these interactions. Our planet's land plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of biogeochemical cycles, such as the sedimentary and phosphorus cycles. The sedimentary cycle, driven by erosion and weathering, is essential for the creation and transformation of rocks and minerals. This process releases vital nutrients that sustain life, such as phosphorus, a key component in plant growth. However, human actions have drastically impacted these cycles. Deforestation, driven by unnecessary tree cutting, disrupts the sedimentary cycle by increasing erosion and decreasing soil stability. Rampant garbage disposal and improper waste management not only pollute our surroundings but also disturb the phosphorus cycle by altering nutrient availability. Our community, like many others, faces the consequences of these practices. Cutting down trees might seem harmless, but it leads to devastating consequences. Trees are not only essential for maintaining the sedimentary cycle, but also act as natural buffers against natural disasters like typhoons, reducing their impact on our homes and lives. Improper waste disposal exacerbates the problems as garbage blocks our drainage systems. When the heavy rain comes, the water has nowhere to go, flooding our homes and polluting our water sources. Beyond natural disturbances, invasive species have further strained our ecological reservoir. Invasive plants, animals, and microbes disrupt native ecosystems, threatening biodiversity and altering biogeochemical cycles. But it's not all doom and gloom. We as a community can make a difference. We should work together and address these challenges and try to restore the balance in our ecosystem. Additionally, we find ourselves living in the shadows of an active fault line, facing the constant threat of earthquakes. As tectonic forces shape our land, it reminds us of the delicate balance we must preserve.
In the grand tapestry of our planet's ecosystem, land stands as an ecological reservoir, a critical component that sustains life. Its significance cannot be overstated, as it serves as the foundation for terrestrial life, providing habitats for diverse flora and fauna, fostering biogeochemical cycles that sustains ecosystems, and acting as a bulwark against the devastating impacts of anthropogenic activities. We will delve into the fascinating intricacies of two essential biogeochemical cycles, the sedimentary cycle and the phosphorus cycle. Moreover, we shall explore the impacts of human activities on land, the role of the Le Chatelier principle in maintaining equilibrium, the menace of invasive species, and the emerging field of epigenetics in shaping the future of ecological conservation. The sedimentary cycle plays a pivotal role in the environment and its movement and transformation of crucial elements such as carbon, nitrogen, and sulfur among various reservoirs on Earth. It encompasses both terrestrial and aquatic environments where geological processes interact with biological and chemical processes to regulate the flow of these elements. For instance, weathering and erosion of rocks release essential nutrients that contribute to soil formation, fostering plant growth, and sustaining entire ecosystems. Phosphorus, a key nutrient for life, is cycled through the biotic and abiotic components of ecosystems in the phosphorus cycle. It primarily moves from rocks and sediments to soil and water bodies, then becomes available to plants and other organisms. This cycle plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems, as phosphorus is an essential element in nucleotides, DNA, and energy transfer molecules like ATP. The impact of human activities on land has been far-reaching and has taken a toll on a delicate ecological balance. As we've seen in the video, deforestation, urbanization, industrialization, and unsustainable agricultural practices have led to habitat destruction, loss of biodiversity, and soil degradation. The massive emission of greenhouse gases from cars from these activities has accelerated climate change, resulting in rising temperatures, extreme weather events, and altered precipitation patterns. These anthropogenic activities and effects not only disrupt ecosystem but also pose significant threats to human well-being and the Earth's overall sustainability. Le Chatelier principle, a fundamental concept in chemistry, also holds relevance in ecological equilibrium. It states that if a system at equilibrium is subjected to a disturbance, a system will respond in a way that mitigates the effects of the disturbance and restores equilibrium. Similarly, in ecological systems, disturbances like deforestation, pollution, or climate change trigger responses from ecosystems to counteract these disruptions. Understanding the principles is crucial in designing effective conservation strategies that we can do to facilitate the resilience of ecosystems and promote the ability to recover from disturbances. Invasive species are non-native organisms that establish themselves in new environments, often with detrimental consequences for local ecosystems. They can outcompete native species for resources, disrupt food webs, and alter ecosystem structures and functions. Human activities such as international trade and travel have facilitated the spread of invasive species, making them a major concern for conservationists worldwide. Epigenetics, a burgeoning field in biology, is shedding light on how environmental factors can influence gene expression and heritable traits without altering the underlying DNA sequence. In ecological conservation, the emerging science holds promise in understanding how organisms respond to environmental changes and stresses. By studying the epigenetic mechanisms involved, researchers may uncover novel strategies to enhance species resilience and adaptability to a rapidly changing world. Land, as an ecological reservoir, plays a paramount role in sustaining life on Earth. It hosts vital geochemical cycles such as the sedimentary and phosphorus cycles, which maintain the equilibrium of ecosystems. However, human activities have disrupted this balance, leading to numerous environmental changes and challenges. To address these issues, the Le Chatelier principle serves as a guide in understanding ecological responses to disturbances and devising conservation measures. Additionally, tackling invasive species and exploring the realm of epigenetics offer promising avenues for safeguarding biodiversity and preserving our planet's delicate ecological fabric. Our stewardship of land must be one of reverence and responsibility, for it is the lifeblood that nurtures our existence and secures the future of all living beings. Embracing sustainable practices and prioritizing ecological conservation is our collective duty to ensure a harmonious coexistence with the Earth.